Zu Bangkok dreht sich aber nicht alles nimmen im Streetfood. Das Weltstadt huet natürlich auch ein fantastisch Fine-Dining-Szene, an der das auch international unerkannt. Das Jahr goufen eng 27 Michelin-Sternen zu Bangkok verdeelt. Von diesen Sternen gehört dem Paste-Restaurant. Für mich persönlich eng von den besten Plätzen für thailändisch Haute Cuisine zu degustieren. Hinter den Dippen steht Bee Satongun, was 2018 Best Female Chef in Asia genannt gouf. Die Chefin von diesem Restaurant kommt tatsächlich von einem Streetfood-Background. Als Kind hat sie mit ihrer Mom einen Currystand auf der Straße gehabt und heute serviert sie Thai-Food an einem Haute-Cuisine-Setting. Bee recherchiert historisch Thai-Rezepte, die bis an 18. Jahrhundert zurückdatieren, und reinterpretiert sie für den modernen Goût. So Bee, how do you go about finding these old recipes and creating these dishes?
So the old recipe of the Thai cuisine is not actually easy to find because now they're not have that printing anymore. So in the older day, people give that out at their funeral. But once you got the recipe, you cannot just pull out from the book and cook it. You actually because I tried that one and the taste might not applicable to the modern palate. So we have to adjust that a little bit, but we still keep the roots of the dish.
Because they're very ancient recipes. I mean, what's your oldest recipe here in the restaurant that you've adapted?
Would be the watermelon salmon. This being served during King Rama I and at the Emerald Buddha Temple ceremony.
Das war am Jahr 1784. Bee hat den Plan leicht adaptiert an den originalen weißen Frischwasserfisch durch Saumon ersatz. Ein Fisch, den zwar nicht traditionell aus Thailand kommt, wie vom Bee gewählt gouf, weil eine ähnliche Textur an den Plan bringt, hat einen mehr raffinierten Goût. Thai Fine Dining führt Bee als dat auch Produkte respektieren und den Goût nicht so viel durch Schärfe zu maskieren. Why did you decide to give Thai food a haute cuisine polish?
Because we think that the Thai food didn't move forward for a while, and it's very hard. If you want to do something with the cuisine that have so much history, so you cannot just leave the history behind. So you have to keep it. You have to respect the cook that create that dish, but you want something to move forward.
And I think you've achieved that perfectly. I mean, your dishes, I've tried them. They taste absolutely divine. They taste like really proper Thai. And what I love is you've kept them not too spicy. So for a Western palate, I get the tingle, I get the heat, but it's not so I can't taste it anymore.
I remember when I lived in Australia and I came back to Thailand, and I remember the heat of the chili actually hit me because and then I realized that your palate actually changed. If you live in another country, you cannot take this chili from Thailand because it's totally different heat. So I just worked out the perfect amount of chili that you can feel but it's not burn your mouth.